What you are looking at here is dairy-free Alfredo sauce. Did you know that there's a thing like that? No, you did not. But now you know. And this is chicken going in there. So if you're lactose intolerant, this is for you. Or if you can't handle eating meat and milk together because you're Jewish or whatever religion thing you have going on, you should make this. Now, the ingredients for this are very simple. That was some margarine. This is some vegan mozzarella type thing, okay? And this right here, this is soy cream, okay? Don't get soy milk. Sometimes it's a little sweet. This is what you need. But you can find this anywhere because there's millions of vegans all over the place now. This stuff is very easy to find. So just find it and let's get going. The first step here is to brown the chicken. So get it all in one. You don't want chicken on top of each other. You want just one layer of chicken in the bottom, and then you want to get it brown. Kind of like, that's a bad example right there. That's not brown, but we'll find the brown guy here somewhere, and there we go. Okay, so you want to be like this. Okay, we got it. Come, look. Brown. You see what I'm saying? Let all these guys brown up because that's important because that'll give your chicken a lot more flavor. You don't want just boiled chicken. You want to brown your chicken. So set these guys aside and now add your fettuccine Alfredo. Your fettuccine to the water. Let that go. And then while we're making our sauce, the fettuccine is going. So saving some time. So I put the margarine in the pot, and obviously I'll have the amounts in the description below. And this is some flour going in there. And we are making a roux now. So you want to whisk this guy in there, get it going. And after about 5 minutes or so, it'll start bubbling up, and then you want to add your soy cream. So again, the amounts are going to be in the description. I kind of screwed this up. You'll see I had to add some more butter in later because I thought there was too little sauce. But that's what the description's there for. So let's salt this guy, black pepper, give this guy a mix. I switched to a spoon now and make sure it's all good. And after a while, it started thickening up. And this is what I was talking about. I wanted more butter and more of that soy cream because we want a lot of sauce. Nothing worse than eating spaghetti with like a tiny little bit of sauce. And you're like very sad and sad lost boy eating spaghetti without sauce. All right, I digress here. The next stage after you added all that is to add your mozzarella, your vegan mozzarella. And now you're going to see this guy is going to get thick as heck. So I think real Italians probably won't like this, but for me, I like a thick sauce. And I'm talking thick, thickety thick. So that cheese is going in there. Everything is getting nice and thickened up. It's a weird angle. Sorry about that, but this is a better angle. Hooked it up. And now add your chicken in there. So this is freaking amazing. I mean, this is like the perfect vegan dish. I mean, besides the fact that we killed like 10 chickens to get this chicken breast, but well, at least anyway, in a separate pot, I put the fettuccine in because that way you can control how much sauce you want going in. But I ended up putting all the sauce in there anyway, so I just made another pot dirty for no reason. But anyway, okay, things are hot and steamy here. But what I'm trying to show you is putting the sauce in there and the chicken, and you want to give this a good mix. And this is how you plate it if you want to be a pro. If you want to be besides the fettuccine going all over the place, what you want to do is you want to give this guy some height. That's how they do it in the restaurant biz, which I am not a part of, but I know. And then just put some chickens all up in there, and let's see what this guy's all about.
The time has come. Time has come to save the day. Every night in my dreams, I see you. I need you. Listen, I can almost 98% not tell the difference. I've had both chicken Alfredos with the normal way and like this, and I'm telling you, it's almost indistinguishable. This is weird, mother. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I love you from the bottom of my heart. And I'd appreciate it if you could subscribe so you can get more videos and more notifications to see more videos. That's what I'm trying to say here. All right, bye-bye.